Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can rotate images, photos, and in general any items or objects you like in your presentations on Google Slides without any advanced graphic designing, editing, or technical skills whatsoever. So drop a like now, let us get started. So let me head over to Google Slides and open that presentation here for the sake of this tutorial. So let's take, for example, that photo here for the sake of this tutorial. What you want to do, guys, is simply left click on the given object, which in this case here would be that image. And after that, make sure that you select, that's the first approach, make sure that you select this option here at the top, format options. After that, you will see that pop-up menu here on the right hand side. So what you want to do is expand size and rotation. And from that menu below, simply decide whether you would like to rotate your element by 90 degrees, 180, 270, or 360, and so on and so forth. So that's the first option. The other option would be, guys, to set a custom rotation degree by using that menu here and left to it. For example, by increasing the angle, for example, by, let's say, 20 degrees. So that's option number 2. And option number 3, guys, is very intuitive, and you can do that manually with your left mouse. Simply left click on that handle here above the given item, click on it, hold it, and then simply use your mouse manually and intuitively to set a custom rotation degree like that by 79 degrees, for example, just like that. As you can see, it is super simple. You can rotate your image as much as you like that. Super simple. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.